You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Here it is a circle, and we have to prove that the circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. So let's go. So in the earlier year, people had to transfer their goods from one place to another without any disturbance, and they had found that if their circumference is 22 units and diameter is 7 units, then there is a perfect circle. So C by D ratio, that is circumference by diameter ratio, is equal to 22 by 7. Okay, and now we can substitute that 22 by 7 as pi. So C by D, and D can be written as you know that it's a r, so that is 2r. So diameter can be written as 2r is equals to pi. So when you multiply it, that is cross multiply, so you get 2 pi r as circumference. So hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.